Autopath includes different country-specific, manufacturer-based, and custom vehicle libraries. By clicking on Vehicle Library, you can search through all included libraries and check parameters that are defined for each vehicle. In the upper line of the dialog box, choose a vehicle library and then the type of vehicle. In the right part of the dialog box, you can see the values of the defined vehicle's data. If the vehicle you want to use for the analysis is not yet included in the library, you can always create it by yourself. Autopath allows you to add a new vehicle to any of vehicle libraries. Vehicles can be also edited, imported, or exported. To define your default vehicle, simply select Vehicle, do right-click and select as default.